22 days in, and the centre still hasn't blinked. The Cockroach Janata Party's protest at Delhi's Jantar Mantar rolls into its 22nd day, with organisers now announcing a march to Parliament on July 20th, the opening day of the monsoon session. The plan is to corner MPs directly, since the government itself hasn't offered so much as a meeting.
आज मैं शायद थोड़ा बेहतर दिख रहा हूँ, हालांकि आज मेरे अनशन का 12वां दिन है। दोस्तों, मैंने कहा था कि हम 20 जुलाई को जब संसद का सत्र शुरू होगा मार्च करेंगे संसद तक। तो बहुत से लोगों ने बोला है कि वो आएंगे, कुछ ने पूछा है क्या ये मुमकिन है।
That silence is being felt most on one man's body. Climate activist Sonam Wangchuk is now 14 days into his indefinite hunger strike. Health bulletins shared by the party say he's lost around 7.5 kilograms since he began fasting, with his blood pressure recorded at 106/74.
आज मेरे अनशन के 13वें दिन के खात्मे पर मैं कल की तरह ऊर्जा नहीं महसूस कर रहा हूँ, थोड़ा थका महसूस कर रहा हूँ। खैर, होता रहता है, कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे। मैं आप लोगों को धन्यवाद देना चाहता था कि आप लोगों ने जो समर्थन दिया है इस आंदोलन को सोशल मीडिया पर। आप लोगों के बहुत कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें कही हैं आप लोगों ने।
Wangchuk says his hunger has stabilized, but admits he's growing weaker by the day. What the government hasn't offered, the opposition has been showing up with. TMC's Mao Moitra, UP's Sanjay Singh, CPIM's John Brittas, MA Baby and Brinda Karat and CPI's D Raja have all made a trip to Jantar Mantar. Notably, CJP hasn't shut its doors to the BJP either. The invitation stands for any MP from any party willing to raise the issue on the floor of the parliament.
मेरा आदर, मेरा सम्मान, मेरा सलूट and a big hug to all of you. Big hug to all of you. Jai Hind.
To dissent and to express the protest is the right of the citizen, is part and parcel of democracy. Inqilab! Inqilab!
Political indifference is one battle, the weather is another. As rain hammered the protest site, CJP founder Abhijit Deepke was filmed days back, pleading with and touching the feet of Delhi police officials, asking simply for tents to shelter the fasting students. The police are yet to respond. Through it all, Wangchuk has resisted the one label everyone keeps reaching for. In a video message, he rejected being called a modern Gandhi or a hero. He is just an ordinary citizen, he insisted, doing what duty demands. His appeal to the country is to stop looking for a savior and show up for the day, a fast anything. The core demands hasn't moved yet. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation and 1 crore rupees in compensation for the families of students who allegedly died by suicide over examination irregularities. 22 days of protest, 14 days of fasting, and still no word from the government. The question now is whether July 20th can change that.